Dear professional colleagues, good afternoon. We are here to condole the sudden and untimely demise of Dr. H. Anil Kumar, librarian IIM Ahmedabad. He breathed his last on 17th July, Friday evening. The news is really shocking. The news is really shocking to all of us. You all know that he stood for his leadership and kindness. He won the hearts of all of us for his personality and dedication to the profession. It is an irreparable loss to his family, institute, and our profession. On behalf of all, I express my deepest condolence to the revered family, near and dear ones. Let us pray to God that his soul may rest in peace. May God give his family the strength to bear the loss. Friends, you can write your condolence messages in the chat window, and we can also take a couple of people in video for expressing their thought, keeping in view the platform limitations. Now, I would request Dr. T.S. Kumbar, librarian IIT Gandhinagar, and his close friend to read the short profile of late Dr. Anil and also share his feelings. Dr. Kumbar, please.
Yeah, dear colleagues, it's 4 days since Dr. Anil Kumar, a close friend and an eminent professional, left for heavenly abode. It is getting tough to accept that he is no longer with us. It's going to take a long time for the reality to sink in. His untimely death has left an intellectual vacuum among the professional colleagues in these two cities of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, and in the country as a whole. As we speak today here on this platform, his family is still fighting with the health issues and finding it hard to cope with Anil's untimely death. Being in the same city and close to his family, most of us here are feeling helpless. And we are not able to do anything to lend our support to the family because of the prevailing conditions and restrictions here in these two cities. I have known Anil for over decades since I moved to Ahmedabad in 1998. Since then, some of us became very close knit family of librarians, used to meet frequently, discuss, at times debate, and exchange our thoughts and ideas as to how to make a difference to the librarianship, especially in the state like Gujarat, which is welcome everyone to come and work. Anil was always in the forefront in any of our discussions and in taking next steps. To share a brief profile of Dr. Anil Kumar with all, so Dr. Anil Kumar obtained his bachelor's and master's degree in library science from Bangalore University, topping the list in his batch and had secured gold medals in both the programs. Later, he earned the doctoral degree in library science from MS University, Baroda. He worked for nearly 3 decades at renowned academic institutions like National Law School of India, University of Bangalore, the British Library, Ahmedabad, EDI, and Nirma in Ahmedabad, and before joining Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. He was one of the founding team members of International Center for Technology Entrepreneurship, which we call it as the iCreate, and was actively in monitoring a few technology startups which are relating to our own profession. Recognizing his outstanding contribution to the profession and libraries that he worked, Dr. Anil Kumar was awarded with a number of awards. To begin with, a Lifetime Achievement Award by Royal Society of Chemistry, Best Librarian Award by Taylor and Francis, and Outstanding Librarian Award by Association of Indian Management Scholars, Asian Professional Award by Special Library Association USA, and Best Librarian Award by our own association, ManLibNet. He was also invited under the prestigious International Visitor Program of the Department of State, USA in 2001. Anil being a serious thinker and researcher, Anil published over a dozen research papers in peer-reviewed journals and also published 6 books, 2 case studies, and several papers in books and conferences. Until his death, he actively engaged himself with a number of professional bodies such as the Asia Pacific Business School Librarians Group, Assist USA, India Library Association, of course, Manly. and ADNet as well. And he led ManipNet as a president for a while. Being a passionate and sharing his thoughts and knowledge and experience, he often delivered his talks on the topics such as emerging technology and management trends in librarianship, which are very close to his heart. So, as you all know, even during his this lockdown period, he gave quite a number of webinars educating all of us on how to manage our library services during this pandemic. So, as you see from this brief profile, he achieved so much in a span of 3 decades. So this is just a glimpse of what he has done. For me, it was always a joy to work with him on any task that we undertook together. Me being an introvert, he was always there to pull me in,
ಆಫ್
made me
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನಾ?
feel, made me feel comfortable
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
as well
ಬರ್ತಾನೆ
as
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
contribute. Whether it was meetings, seminars,
ಕಿರೋಚಿ,
or something new. In a way, he was a younger brother for me, and we had so much mutual respect for each other. Anil had the ability to spot young talent very quickly and would nurture them with the proper guidance and support. He was known for innovating and initiating new things and taking risks. Another best quality of Anil was he strongly believed in taking everyone along, working together for a larger cause. He encouraged each one who worked with him on many professional assignments and also made it a point that we are all equal partners in everything we did together. Anil was not just a librarian. His thinking was much beyond librarianship. He was always looking for opportunities to connect and contribute for a larger cause, be it education, entrepreneurship, or social causes. I pray God to rest his soul in peace and give his family and near and dear ones the required courage and strength to manage his absence. With this, now we pay homage to departed soul. We will observe silence for 2 minutes and pray. Okay. 2 minutes of silence, please. Request you to join. Om Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll request Dr. Hiral Patel from IIM Ahmedabad. Please share your feelings. Your unmute. Please unmute your audio.
Yes. I'm Hiral Patel, Deputy Librarian at Vikram Sarabhai Library, I am Ahmedabad. It is with an immense grief and sadness that I, on behalf of my colleague at BSL Library, have paid adieu to our beloved librarian, Dr. H. Nil Kumar. My journey as an LIS professional began under the guidance of Anil Sir at Nirma University in the year 1998. I worked with him at Nirma University for almost 10 years. In those 10 years, including me, he trained and groomed many young aspiring professionals in the field of library and information science. In 2017, I got the opportunity to work with him once again at the Vikram Sarabhai Library, IIM Ahmedabad. My professional and personal association with Anil Sir has spanned over 2 decades. In these 2 decades, he became my friend, philosopher, guide, and mentor. I was further extremely fortunate to complete my doctoral research under the able guidance of Anil Sir. He has been instrumental in not only my own professional growth, but for many others from the Nirma University, Vikram Sarabhai Library, and other libraries across India. I hope to be able to implement all the plans and ideas of Sir for the IIM library and will continue to work towards the growth of the VSL library as per his dreams. We pray for his soul to rest in peace with the knowledge that he will always be the guardian angel for all of us at VSL Library. Om Shanti.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Dr. M.G. Sri Kumar to share his feelings, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Vibhuti Sahu. Esteemed senior professionals and friends. At the outset, I wish to thank the organizers of CFTI Libraries for organizing a condolence meeting for paying tributes to Dr. Anil Kumar. Dr. Anil's passing on 17th July was terribly saddening, shocking, and extremely paining one. Anil has left us quite early at the prime period of his professional career, and is quite unfortunate and untimely. He was an extraordinary library leader and a great human being who was loved by all professionals as well as from outside the profession. And was one of the founding team members of Malimnet, as it was mentioned by Dr. Kumbar. And he was a strong pillar of the IIM Libraries Consortium. And we were working together with the Asia Pacific B School Libraries Group. In fact, there are only 3 members from India, and IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calicut, and ISB Hyderabad are the members. And he has been immensely contributing to all these organizations and institutions. Anil stood out in the professional circles because of his brilliant and intelligent discourses and debates, and was respected by everyone who was, because it is always actually a great experience to interact with Anil. It brings in a lot of energy and knowledge. His achievements and accomplishments are quite a lot. He has left us with a lot of with a lot of unfinished projects and tasks, and I think it is our onus to take forward those unfinished tasks. Some of them are with the IIM Libraries Consortium, and we have been planning a number of other things also jointly. We all will miss him, and let us pray God for his soul to rest in peace, and also pray for his family, to pray God to give the family the strength and courage to overcome this hard times and irreparable loss. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sutradhar sir, please share your feelings, sir. Please unmute, sir. Your audio, sir. Please unmute your audio.
It's fine?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I thanks the organizer, particularly Dr. Jadhav, and then Dr. Shahu and others also, Nabi Kumar, Nabi Hassan, and others, to organize this condolence meeting So I'll tell few things about Dr. Anil Kumar. I first met him in 2005 in Bangkok. I was attending one conference, and I have seen before that I was not known to him. I have known by by name, but personally I have not seen before that. So I met him in 2005 in Bangkok when we both participated in the conference, and then I found that he was my room partner, where I have stayed in the same hotel, and he stayed with me in the same room. And when we stay in the same room for 2 days, then I personally know him many things. He's really very, very knowledgeable person. And I have seen that time that he was given a talk about the resource management. He was given a fantastic talk in the audio, in that conference. And then from that point of time, we are very close. We are very good friend. We communicate each other, and gradually we share our thought. Then I met, suddenly I met in Kolkata. There is one college, they have organized one conference, and he was the chief guest. That I was not known. When I was there, I just reached there, that I have seen him, that he is present, and then I have heard that he is a chief guest. So it was and when we met, really it was very, very interesting. And after such a long time, we met in the second conference. He is the chief guest, I am the speaker. And there it also have seen that he has some park to give a talk. We have many professionals in the library science, but he has something by Braun, that when he speak, when he give a lecture, everybody keeps silent and listen his talk. And that is one thing that he has. Really, it's a very good thing in our profession. And the last I met in ICDL in 2000, I think last ICDL, we met in Delhi. Then I heard that he's having some problem. He has some medical problem. Then I'm asking what the problem. Then he explained this the thing. Then recently I heard that he was affected with the COVID. And then I shocked. What is happening? Then again I have heard that he recovered it. And then I thought, oh, fine, that's God is great. He recovered. And then 17, this July, in the evening, I have seen the Facebook. Pathak has posted that he expired. Then suddenly I shocked. How it's really a very, very bad thing for us. Then I wrote to Pathak what was happening. Then he mentioned. So what I'm saying, that he is a very, very knowledgeable person. This is the thing that every library professional must have. Unfortunately, we do not have the things which he is having. It's a very, very good thing. And really, we are losing a very good professional in our field. We have many librarians working in very prestigious libraries, but many people are not having. It's really amazing. So it's a great loss for all of us. What I can say that my deepest condolence to his family and his friend relatives, and I request all the librarians who are present here that if his family needs any support, any assistance from us, definitely we'll come forward and then assist. Kumar Sahab is there nearby. So I request Kumar Sahab, if they need some support, some official, assistance, so please help them so that they can get some support from our library friends. So I request all of you come forward and help in these circumstances. And I am really, really very shocked. He's a very, very young age, 53. I think he was in 53 or 54. It's very early. this the date. So we definitely fill the gap. His yeah, we whatever we want to no fill up the gap that we should try to fill up. And uh, I once again condolence to his family, his friend, his relatives, and may his soul rest in peace. With this, I thank you very much, and I also thanks the organizer for organizing. This is the first time that you people have organized such a wonderful, condolence meeting. So everybody should know this is the things happening, and this is the great personality that we have lost from our profession. So may God help his family and give the strength his family to survive. And we all are here to support his family in many ways. With this, I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your feelings. Now I request Dr. Jagdish Sarra sir, because he has joined recently now. So kindly share your feelings, sir. Please unmute your audio, sir.
Thank you, Vibhuti. Dr. Anil was very close to me. I knew him from the days when we started Indus, and he was the librarian at Nirma that time. Even at that time, he was so enthusiastic about joining Indus, a new initiative at that time, and be a member. In fact, he offered that I will look after my Western region in case he can allow me to do so. We worked very closely. I believe that Anil Kumar was one of the rarest breed of entrepreneur librarians. He was a true entrepreneur. I think that Remote X was something that he promoted. In fact, it's a startup that started in Nirma, and he was kind of nurturing it. And the content that he had was fantastic. I was truly of Dr. Anil Kumar. Every time he spoke, he had something new to say and very, very enterprising. He was a great human being, and I can see the colleagues on the screen how lost they feel, not finding him. In fact, he had the kidney issues from 1915 or 2010 onward. But then he was cured, and he was healthy, recovered. In fact, I have been interacting with my colleagues at InfluidNet, and I didn't even hear about his contacting COVID. So it was a real shock for me. Great loss to the library profession. A person of his knowledge, his entrepreneurship should be around for good of the profession. I really feel that I'm lost for words about Dr. Anil Kumar, but a great colleague, great librarian. In fact, he called me the other day for they had some selections at IIM, and he wanted me to come, but then this COVID period started, and we couldn't make it. Beside that, he was a great librarian in the sense that whenever you ask him for some information, like there was a requirement for data on R&D output and its correlation with other economic parameters. I didn't know where to look for, but then he not only gave information but narrated a number of sources where such information are available. So he was not only a true librarian, he was a true data librarian. So, and of course, the work that he has done in Koha on, these days, when you go to your administration, ask for funds for the library, especially the renovation and other, nobody gives you the funds. But Dr. Anil Kumar managed to get funds to renovate complete renovation of library. Convincing your authority is most difficult. I was an IT librarian, and many of you are in ITs. This is something we often often we hear. What is the use of library now? Physical library, but he was able to convince his authority, and rightly so. And I am library is something which, of course, I miss saying it, but then something that everybody should go visit and pay homage to it. I suggest that I'm sure must be doing in his memory. Maybe the library itself should be uh, at least, I think it's called Sarabhai Library, but then part of it or some of the facilities should be named after it. And I think as an ILS profession, we also have a duty to maybe start something, some a new initiative in his name. So with that, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to join this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your sharing your feelings with our community, and we really remember Anil sir because with his dynamic and his personality. So we are really missing him today. So now I request Dr. Anand Bhairappa, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, is the librarian, to share his thought and his feelings.
Thank you, Dr. Vibhuti, Dr. Nabi, and Jadhav for organizing this, taking lead and organizing this. And it's very difficult to believe that Dr. Anil Kumar is no more with us. In fact, just a few weeks back, or maybe last month, I still remember his talk on transforming libraries, which he gave at Karnataka State Library Association. And his talk is still in front of my eyes. And we never, expected that this sad thing and hits to us. And so Anil was senior to me at Bangalore University by a couple of years, and I was not in touch with him for beginning of first 10 years. Then he was working in National Law School for some time. He left. I think I had an opportunity to go and work with National Law School in place of Anil. And the kind of admiration Anil had in that 1 year period created with staff, it was amazing. So, the people, librarian, the staff and the faculty, the way they were appreciating his commitment and efforts was really, inspiring. So that's when first time I heard about Anil's work. And then after joining IISc, I started interacting with him very often. And we also worked on a couple of assignments. And in my opinion, Anil is one of the rarest librarian who has a clarity, who has courage to question everything, and great contributions. So the kind of library he has transformed, in my opinion, that's not only one of the best in India, it can also be compared with best of the libraries anywhere in the world when it comes to transforming physical library into new age knowledge center. And that talks about his caliber, his commitment, his leadership, and all of that. In my opinion, that remains to be a testimony for Anil's contributions to this profession. And Anil is also, many of you mentioned that he's a very distinct professional and very different compared to many of us. As Dr. Arora was mentioning, the entrepreneurial encouragement he gave has directly contributed some very successful products to our profession. Rapid radio is very successful. RemoteX, I was using that in my previous organization, and that was a global contribution. It's very successful. And so that, these kind of things makes Anil very special and distinct. And he had so many years of service left. And, it's a great loss for us to the profession. He would have given many more things to us. He was a role model and he was very clear in what he was doing. And I've also seen him, standing straight and giving left and right without thinking when somebody talks disrespectful about the profession. So there's a lot of courage. And I feel really sad to hear about this news. And anyway, though, so that's life. I think it should go on. I don't think we can forget him. So his contributions, our interactions with him we have had will always linger with us. I think I am open, and as a professional group, if we can really do something to, remember and cherish Anil's contributions, I think that will be great. I know today is not the day to really talk about that. I think we can get together and think about something, and if we can really start something, either a lecture or something like that, I think that's a small way. We can contribute against contributions, and so I pray Almighty to give his family strength to bear this loss, and also pray to his soul rest in peace. So thank you again. I think so. With the interest of time, I'll hand over to Vibhuti back.
Thank you, sir. Really, I mean, I didn't say much about Anil sir, but your talk sometime inspiring me to say something, because I remember when I was working in Indest and we used to discuss about various negotiation and all. So I remember only one word, Vibhuti Kaise ho? It's down. So I just remember all these things. In fact, last month also I talked with, in fact, for 1st July also I talked, sent message. He said I am back in my house. So really we cannot forget his personality and his leadership quality. So really we are missing him, sir. So with this, I request Dr. P. Bisaithi Madam, Librarian Aizer Mohali, please share your thoughts.
Thank you. Thank you, organizers, Dr. Nabi, Dr. Shahu, Dr. Jadhav, and Dr. Kumba, for giving this opportunity to pay my heartfelt tributes to our beloved senior professional colleague, Dr. Anil sir. Actually, it was a shock when I read the news in our library's WhatsApp group in the early hours of 18th July. First, I couldn't believe it, but later we had to accept the reality. It is sad news, and it is a black day for library professionals. First time, actually, I met him in Indus AICT annual meet held at IIM Ahmedabad. And the last I met him last year in IIT Gandhinagar during that conference. Whenever we meet, we always used to talk in our own language. He was very warm. He is also belongs to Andhra Pradesh, so we used to exchange our well wishes in Telugu only. But he invited me last time when I called him. He invited me to visit his library after revamping, but I could not do that. Still, I have a feeling of guiltiness. I couldn't visit him. Had I visited him, I could have seen him. He is an exemplary human being and ever smiling personality. First of all, he always smiles while talking, and he was very humble, dynamic, and highly intellectual personality in our library profession. Because his talks are also very informative, very charismatic, and well received by library professionals. Really, it is a great loss to our Indian library profession. He was very innovative, instrumental in developing library-related softwares. Like Arora sir said, and Dr. Anand said, that actually the project of Mile of today is the once project of IIM students under guidance of Dr. Anil sir only. But now this has become internationally accepted tool. So really proud of you, really proud of you. On my own behalf and behalf of librarians of all 7 ISES, conveying my deep condolences to his parents, wife, Nista, and the children. I pray God to give them strength. May his soul rest in peace. We will miss you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Yeah, like you, many of us sweet memories. I mean, we could not able to invite other people also because of the limitation with the platform. So next I request Dr. Mallikarjun Angadi, NIT Karnataka Surathkal, please. Is there? Okay, sir.
Respected senior professionals and my dear friends, it is with great sadness that we learned of the passing away of Dr. H. Anil Kumar, librarian, IIM Ahmedabad. We, the LIS professionals who have known him closely, are still trying to come to the terms with this sad, untimely, and unfortunate demise of Anil Kumar sir. We have known Anil sir for many years and really devastated to learn of passing. Dr. Anil Kumar was a strong person, as always, very focused and determined. He was a great library practitioner and a teacher, and he was instrumental in introducing many innovative services in the library, which are always user focused, and now they are role models for others to emulate. On my personal front, it was a great loss for me as I knew Anil sir for a long time. I had an opportunity to visit him and have a lengthy discussion with him last year in his chamber when we were discussing about the library renovation, as NITK Surathkal was also going the renovation. So I wanted some inputs from Anil sir. So I met him and we had a very lengthy discussion on pros and cons of these renovation activities in the library, because IIM library was renovated at that time. And he spent almost 2 hours with me and he shared great details of how best one can use the existing furnitures for the renovated library, or the kind of lighting required, or the standards used in the lighting in reading space, stack area, etc. In fact, the discussion continued even after that in the taxi and in the flight when we traveled together on the same day to Kolkata for a publishers meet. I'm sure his legacy will be continued. I'm sure Dr. Hiral Patel will continue the unfulfilled task and with her the team in IIM Library. I, on behalf of all the librarians and the library staff of 31 NITs, pray to the Almighty to give peace to the departed soul and give strength to the bereaved family members and the entire IIM Ahmedabad Library family to bear this irreparable loss. Rest in peace, Anil sir. We will definitely miss you. Om Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, Angadi sir. Thank you very much for sharing your views. We are Dr. Rama Patnaik has joined, but before her, I request Dr. Y.S. Rao, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, to share his feelings. Rao, please.
Good afternoon.
Yes,
Thank
good
you,
afternoon.
organizer. On behalf of SPS, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, Delhi, Bhopal, I express my heartfelt condolences and sympathy to his family of Dr. Anil Kumar sir, who is no more. He was a great instrumental and inspiration for all library and information science professionals. Is really a role model for making or building a knowledge-based library settings in India, especially like management of libraries. I had a little experience with him during the INDEST consortium, and he was involved in many policy making and resource negotiation committees. We're all part of it, and we were two in the expert committees in NIT AP, and really is a great man, is a great human being and intellectual, and we really a great loss for all of us, and really miss him, and we all pray his soul remain rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rao. Uh, Now I request Dr. Rama Patnaik. Please share your feelings, sir, madam. Please unmute your audio. Please unmute your audio.
Hello, everyone. Actually, I was trying to avoid to join any condolence meeting because it was as if I have lost a sibling because my relationship with Anil is more personal than professional. We would often talk about our not only about our professions, but mostly on personal level as well. I remember interacting with him in all webinars before the actual broadcast of the webinars. I would see his face swollen and I would often ask him about his health, but he was struggling with these kidney issues since last October. I have never seen a person with so much of pain going through a lot of health issues would always be smiling because the eyes would say something, but he will always wear a smile and would never allow anybody to know what he was going through. In fact, when the lockdown happened, I would always try to find out whether he was going to library because I was not going to library. We thought that we are at a vulnerable, situation. And I don't want to talk about what he was because he's such a known person in the field that the more we talk, I think we are trying to lessen the importance of what a seminal figure he was for the profession. But when I heard this news, it's so devastating that behind the facade of whatever, dichotomous views we had on profession, but at personal level, I think the kind of relationship I had with Anil for a period of almost 12 years now, I think no one can ever take that place. Even when I was having any kind of issues in my library or anything to do with the policies, or I think he was always forthcoming to share his views. He would also equally be so patient to learn or to hear from others. And I dread to now have any consortium meeting because he was the heart of IIM consortium meeting, and everything that the consortia is today, I think his contribution has been immense in making it such a successful platform. And apart from being what he was known to a profession, but very few know that he could not take up a higher position of being a vice chancellor of universities or director of institutions. He had that caliber and capability, but because of health issues, he was just backing out. I think he was really a good leader, not only for a profession. I think the academia also lost, probably not having his contribution in the academic arena, not only just confined to the librarianship. He shared some of his, the positions that he was supposed to held, but because of the health issues, he backed out. I think ever since he had this kidney issue, I think he would have gone much further. And the kind of person he was, the kind of abilities he had, you could have seen that at the age of 52, he has achieved everything what a library professional could aspire for. And the kind of well-wishers he had, the kind of colleagues, even youngsters. I think when I look at his Facebook page, I think every library professional in India is a friend of his in his page. Whenever I visit, whenever a fresh request come, I would just check that the first figure that pops up is of Anil Kumar, being as a part of that group. And he was very generous also in sharing his ideas. He would never hold anything to him, and so openly invited people to look into his libraries, because when I called him for an international conference, he was not keeping well. But I thought that without him this would be incomplete, and in fact I wanted Nistha also to come along with him. And in this, I think I must say, I was not expecting him to be there for all the days of the conference, but he was there even before the inauguration of the conference. So I think the best tribute to him is he would not want us to be so sad or unhappy. And as a person, I know always graceful, happy, and so much of positivity he would exude in trying times as well. I think the best takeaways I have learned as a person from him is not only his strength, but also his ability to withstand any kind of challenges in life. And being, going through so much of health issues, he was always there for the library. I have also heard that during these COVID times, also he was occasionally going to library and trying to encourage his staff, and also congratulating them and acknowledging their contribution to contribute to the library in trying times. I have heard a lot of people saying that even if the staff would not encourage him to come, but he would be always there to put a hand around them. They have been so emotional.
That's
I don't want to him. I think his position cannot be fulfilled by anybody for decades now. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Dr. Vibhuti?
yeah. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah, like you.
you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, like you, I think we are also missing. Like we are also being emotional because of his personality, his leadership, and his work for the profession. Thank you, madam. Thank you sharing for your feelings. Now I request Dr. Sri Kumar sir. Are you there? Are you listening to us? Sri Kumar sir. Sir. Sir, with us now Dr. Jadhav sir and Hassan sir have joined. Sir, you can, if you want, sir, Jadhav sir, please.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. Dear all, I know Dr. Anil for more than 17 years. We met sometime in the conferences, especially during Malimnet and during Indus annual meets. He was known for his simplicity, brevity, honesty, and integrity. He was a humble, modest, and down-to-earth person, and always having smile face, and he was a great human being. There was a big question mark when the Zambekar actually passed away from IM library. That time, who will take care of that library? But after joining Anil, he proved that after joining IM, under his leadership, he took IM library to a new heights due to his great librarianships. Everybody talk about his many contribution, accomplishment, and development of IM library and library professions. So he was very great, you can say, personality, and he did lot of things for library professions. And all you talk about.
Dr. Vibhuti, I have nothing to say apart from what.
Yeah.
But may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah, I express my deepest condolences to Rivet family, and I pray Almighty to his soul may rest in peace and give his family the strength to bear the loss. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Hassan sir, Dr. Hassan sir.
I think the only thing I would like to say is that we were very closely associated because of the Indest, and he was having a very simple style. Nabi kaise ho? We were talking until June, and I think he has greatly contributed for Indus. He used to come prepared in such a manner that he was able to negotiate the resources with the publisher in a really great manner. And the only thing I could not do with him was that I wanted to renovate my IIT Delhi library as well as he has renovated. So we were discussing, like he was saying, Nabi, dekho, my library is so young. Still, this library has been given the status of a heritage library by UNESCO. Many of uh, us might not be knowing it. Such a young library, it is not a 200, 300-year old building. It's a new building, and it has been given a heritage status. I think I mean, we cannot have the words for such a great person. We are not in a position to talk much about him. We all are really sentimental people. We are all emotional. He was like a big brother for me. So that is why we are not willing to come on the camera, but still. Uh, his soul may rest in peace. I think I am will be able to take care of his family if there are any need. And I think the staff, Madam Hiral Patel and other people should take care. If we can be of any help, please let us know. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, Dr. Hassan and Jadhav sir were not just, I mean, they are getting emotional. So I thank you for joining with us. Last but not least, I thank all the senior people for giving me this opportunity, though it is a very difficult situation to coordinate this program. But I am thankful to my senior professionals for giving me this opportunity to coordinate this program. Now I request Dr. C. Kumar sir, or sir, Arra sir, if you want to say something, sir, before him, sir. Sir, you unmute, sir. You unmute your audio, sir. Sir, please unmute your audio, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. I would like to hear Dr. Sri Kumar. He's been more closely working with that.
Yeah, my association with Anil is more than 23 years. We first met in Nirma, and then that time I was joining IIM Kozhikode, and then our relationship and association, has grown stronger and stronger. And later he moved to IIM, so we became a very close family. And many projects and many activities we were working together. So to capture the persona of Anil in a canvas is not easy, because he's multifaceted, multitasking, multi-talented, so brilliant, and so upright, bold, and relentless. It's very difficult to find such a person. In many committees we used to sit, and we used to I have seen that he doesn't care what the consequences be. He will say that this is what I feel, and according to my conscience, this is what it is, and it should be. And it is very difficult to change those standpoints. And we have seen that people should be that kind of a standpoint, then only things will work. And his commitment, not even a degree he will dilute for whatever reasons or whatever assignments he is taking the responsibility. He will see that it is completely fulfilled, whether it is his own library building, whether it is the library share meetings, whether it is some of the projects we have jointly handled, all these things. And he is always there for contributing his own way, in his own way. He will offer, he will lend his support. That is unconditional. So I'm trying to say it's very difficult to capture his persona. It is very difficult. I mean, we have not seen such a person, such kind of a personality in our profession. It's very, very rare. So I think it is really nice of you to organize this meeting on behalf of the centrally funded institutions, libraries, to pay our tributes and our homage. And as many of us were saying that, whatever the family, Nishta is our best friend. So Nishta is also having issues, as Kumbar Sahab was mentioning. The family is also having issues with respect to the disease and the health condition. So whatever support, I think Dr. Hiral and others from IIM Ahmedabad will keep us informed. So there are a series of meetings being planned. Tomorrow we are having the IIM libraries meeting. Day after tomorrow we are having the Malimnet meeting. He was the past president, I am the present president. So the relationship and the kind of association is so bonding, as Dr. Arora was mentioning.
Arora sir, कुछ बोलना? You want to say something, sir?
It's difficult to add what I have already said. So I think all I can say is let his soul rest in peace. Om Shanti.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Om Shanti.
With this, I think we are going to close this. I thank my seniors. I don't want to name because all are senior and all are help coordinator. Helped us to organize this program. And also, I'm thankful to Niranjan. He has given his channel to host this program because we are trying to build on channel for CFTI, but we could not able to because only 24 hours is required. So I'm thankful to him and our Odisha Library Academy because their platform we use. So thankful to we are thankful to you, and thank you all guests and our viewers for joining with us, and we appreciate for joining with us, and we hope that Anil sir's soul will rest in peace, and thank you all. Closing.
So, thank you.